Restart. Welcome to Uday India, Mr. Uday. And I have heard many things about you, and I thought you must be above say 60 or 70. And I go through your website and I go through your profile. So, but immediately after reaching at your office, I could see that you are a really young, energetic, and so how come? Just in brief, just tell me ki, how you came into this business, when you started. Is it an inherited business? Just give me a brief profile about you, then you will
Sure.
go beyond that and we'll discuss.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming to our offices today, sir.
Yeah.
हम ज़रा थोड़ा हम अमेरिका और इंग्लैंड में पढ़े हैं, लेकिन दिल से हम बिल्कुल दिल में हम बिल्कुल इंडियन हैं. तो आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा कि यंग, हमारे कहते हैं कि डोंट जज अ बुक बाय द कवर, राइट. देखने में हम लगते हैं यंग, पर हम फिटनेस में बहुत ज़्यादा बिलीव करते हैं. तो एज हमारी 51 है, शायद मैं आपसे बड़ा ही होगा एज में.
आप मोदी जी का जो फिटनेस इंडिया को प्रमोट करते हैं.
हाँ जी, हमारा स्पोर्ट्स का भी काम है, khelnao.com, जिसको हम देखो, हेल्थी माइंड, हेल्थी लिविंग, हेल्थी ईटिंग, हेल्थी बिजनेस, हेल्थी एनवायरनमेंट, ये हमारी ज़िंदगी का मंत्र है. ठीक है, हम बड़े ही मोदी जी के फॉलोअर हैं. और हम मतलब जब वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने पहली बार, तो वो एक इंडिया के लिए एक डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट था. हम बाहर से इधर वापस इसलिए आए बिकॉज आई फेल्ट कि द अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट इंडिया प्रोवाइड्स टुडे, वो शायद ही कोई और अदर कंट्री प्रोवाइड कर सके. हम इन्वायरमेंटल के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव हैं, इन द सेंस कि अगर हमें कोविड ने कुछ सिखाया है, कोविड ने ये सिखाया है कि जितना ज़्यादा हम इस अर्थ, मदर अर्थ विच आई कॉल, if you really sort of hurt Mother India or Mother World, the world is a place that we need to be protecting rather than misusing.
Sorry for interrupting you. You are a businessman.
Sure.
And you are a industrial entrepreneur.
Sure.
You love sportsmanship.
Sure.
But you are talking something that is linked to the rich Indian culture, Indian heritage. You told about yoga, history.
Sure.
And how come normally this doesn't happen? So how come you are deeply connected with Indian roots, Indian culture?
Sure,
And
sure,
how
sure.
come? Can you just?
I will tell you. You know, I have spent अभी पिछले इंडिया में मेरे को 10 साल हो गए हैं. उससे पहले 30 years was abroad. But I feel that every human being को जहाँ से वो आए हैं, वो एक ह्यूमन बीइंग को अपनी मिट्टी को पहचानना चाहिए. You can live in other parts of the world, but your nationality, your ethnicity is very important. And for a person like me, I felt right from when I was a kid that India, आज भी मैं इंडियन सिटीजन हूँ. इतने साल बाहर रहने के लिए भी मैंने फॉरेन सिटीजनशिप नहीं ली, because I believe that this country, this culture, the values, and now as a businessman आप पूछ रहे हो, the opportunities that India provides are enormous. India will be in the next 5 to 7 years one of the top 3 GDP in the world. गडकरी जी ने पीछे बोला कि इंडिया में अपॉर्चुनिटी है. मैं कहता हूँ बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी है. इस इन्वायरमेंट में पोस्ट कोविड आप देख सकते हैं कि यूरोप में फ्रांस, जर्मनी, इटली, स्पेन सब हमारे पीछे रह जाएंगे इन द नेक्स्ट 5 to 7 ईयर. आज मैं आप लोगों को ये फुल कॉन्फिडेंस से कह सकता हूँ कि जो मोदी जी कह रहे हैं 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी, और जो वो बात कर रहे हैं उससे मेरा इकोनॉमिक्स बैकग्राउंड है, आई एम एन इकोनॉमिस्ट बाय बैकग्राउंड, तो आई एम 100% सहमत उस बात में. सो looking at the culture, looking at the values, looking at my upbringing, and looking at the opportunities. Businessmen always require opportunities. So I believe India is the right country to invest in. The EV side, एक थोड़ा क्वेश्चन से ट्राई ट्रैक हो गया. जो EV का ये है कि the future, मैंने आपको बोला ना, अब्यूजिंग मदर अर्थ, अगर ये मातृभूमि को हम अब्यूज करेंगे तो उसका रिएक्शन हमें नजर आ रहा है, हम सबको नजर आ रहा है। तो हमने
What do you mean by abusing Mother Earth? To whom you are indicating?
I'm indicating to the whole world. I'm indicating to every individual that is on this planet. I am going out to all the 125 करोड़ भाइयों बहनों ऑफ इंडिया कि इस मातृभूमि को आप प्रेम करें, डोंट पोल्यूशन मत करिए, अब्यूज मत करिए, मिसयूज मत करिए। हमको अगर एक लेसन मिला है पोस्ट कोविड-19, हमें यह मैसेज मिला है कि लव योर कंट्री, लव इंडिया, राइट? I cannot change the world, but I can change my own country, right? And so for me, bringing a product, bringing the car pollution is unreal, that amount of damage that is doing to our earth, to our economy, to all of those things. And we felt that in Make in India, Atmanirbhar India, the product that is 100% built in India, हम कोई भी, देखो हमसे जब ये जर्नी में चले 2 साल हो गए, 2-2.5 साल हो गए, तब हम लोग आगे ही सोच रहे थे कि हमने हर चीज इंडिया में करनी है। हमें ये लगा कि चाइनीज भाई लोगों ने सारा इंपोर्ट ईवी का ये जो घूम रही है सारी, आप बाहर देख सकते हैं, सब कॉन्ट्रैप्शंस हैं। दे आर ऑल वेरी वेरी पुअर, दे आर फ्लिम्जी, दे आर नॉट दे आर नॉट इवन सेफ। सो वी बिलीव्ड दैट अगर मुझे सिर्फ क्विक पैसा बनाना था तो मैं कुछ इंपोर्ट करके आराम से पैसा बना लेता, लेकिन हमने सोचा यहीं डेवलप करेंगे। हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजी है, हमारे पास आदमी है, हमारे पास ब्रेन्स हैं, हमारे पास सब कुछ है। एक इकोसिस्टम बनाओ, एक पूरा इकोसिस्टम, फ्रॉम द बैटरी टू द पावर ट्रेन टू द चार्जिंग स्टेशन। एंड आई बिलीव दैट टुडे दैट दिस इज एन एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ हेल्पिंग how we love Mother India. And that is our way to show that if we could reduce the pollution in the cities, in the rural areas, in the villages of this country, there would be a big benefit. अगर मैं फिर बोल रहा हूँ, healthy living, healthy eating, healthy business leads to a healthy country. And we believe India should be one of them.
You told just now that European countries and in compared to European countries, India's GDP is going to be comparatively much better.
We will be the number 3. Not much better. We will be leading.
That is your assumption or presumption or forecast.
That is my belief, sir.
That is your belief.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But you said you have an economic background.
Yes.
You have seen the reports since last fortnight or since last 1 month.
Sure.
Almost all the agencies, international agencies,
Sure.
they all have forecasted that
Yes.
the GDP of India in next 4 to 5 years is going to be critically low, and that may come down below 5 even. How do you react on that?
Sir, मैं बहुत साल बाहर रहा, almost 30 years I have lived abroad.
Yeah.
And I tell everyone, people don't understand India. When you will see even today the villages, the farms, the rural areas. This country is not about Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai. It is about the heartland, which I call the heartland. It's an American word, but it's called the heartland. It is the villages. It is और हमारे मतलब Bengal, Rajasthan, UP, Andhra Pradesh. The villages are the economy in the villages are not impacted as much as in the village. In the cities. But I will tell you, to answer your question directly, that there is an absolute underestimation of this economy. We have a younger population. We have a very, very smart education is coming up. We have a very hardworking country. I think that a lot of the forecast will be proved wrong over the next 5 to 7 years. I think the economists are underestimating India's strength.
You are true, but going by your ideology or theory, whatever your
Sure.
assumption
Sure.
is,
Sure.
80% of India's population that was depending on agriculture, correct?
Sure. Sure.
But in last, you can say 2 decades,
Sure.
the focus has been changed. In COVID-19, you have seen there were lakhs of migrant laborers from UP, from Bihar, from West Bengal, from Odisha, from Rajasthan. they have all migrated to their homeland. Okay?
हाँ जी,
Whatever situation came, you know.
बिल्कुल.
Yesterday, the Prime Minister himself announced that India is going to feed 80 crore people
Sure.
for till November.
Till November.
Correct?
बिल्कुल जी.
How can you say that we are underestimating the economy of India if we are so much confident? Then why we need to feed the 80 crore people? And secondly, will it not affect the traditional system or way of life? You know, most of the governments in India or in any country also for just electionary process, you know, they are feeding the people now. For example, government of Odisha, they are providing rice 1 kg, 1 rupees per kilo.
Sure.
Now Modi said that for family will get, for family member will get 5 kg of rice or what, along with 1 kilo dal. Okay. And suppose a family has got 5 members and something, so if they are getting everything free, why should they work? Why should they involved in farming? Why should they will be involved in innovative ideas? And you know very well, in India most of the companies, they are not into the innovation, but they are into brokerage. They are not doing any business. You see the result of ICMR. What is the output? You see the result of Indian Medical Research Institute, Agriculture Institute. You see anywhere. So my point is,
मैं आपका आंसर करूंगा.
I am supporting your view.
But how?
The question is, how as a young entrepreneur, how you can argue or logically say that we can go back to that traditional and way of living, and how we can grasp that traditional knowledge system. That is the most important issue.
मैं आपका आंसर करता हूँ सर. हम लोग इस टाइम पे, I am an economist, so I look at the whole world. Okay, Europe, US, the amount of money, direct subsidy in rich countries where the GDP and the per capita income of in America is $30,000 for a family of 5. In Europe, it's $20,000. In India, it's $2,000, even if it's there, right? The amount of money that has been given directly to people is, हम तो यहाँ सिर्फ सर रोटी और दाल और चावल दे रहे हैं, वो तो हजारों डॉलर दे रहे हैं वहाँ. So इस एक आपका आंसर.
Yesterday, Prime Minister of India said, in compared to all the developed countries, India is giving much better this thing free food for the poor people.
Sir, food, but in terms of direct, he did not say in the speech that he said in terms of food, but in terms of direct subsidy. But let me come back to your question. The new post-COVID, everything has changed. Okay, what used to work pre-COVID doesn't matter. You have to, everyone has to redevelop the skills. अब जो माइग्रेंट वर्कर, मैं आपने काफ़ी क्वेश्चन पूछे तो मैं जो माइग्रेंट वर्कर के साथ हुआ, मुझे बहुत ही अफसोस है. वी शुड हैव डन बेटर. वी एज अ कंट्री, सर हमारा क्या है, हम यहाँ हर रोज यही कहते हैं, व्हाट कैन द कंट्री डू फॉर अस. मैंने कई कम लोगों को बोला कि व्हाट कैन आई एक्चुअली डू फॉर द कंट्री. ठीक है, तो आप मुझे ये पूछ रहे हो, तो मैं ये चाहता हूं कि हमारे जो सारे बिजनेसमैन हैं, वो कितने लोग कह रहे हैं कि मैं कंट्री के लिए करने को तैयार हूं. लेकिन मैं तो तैयार हूं सर, किसी को तो स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. है और भाई लोग जो करना चाहते हैं. मेरा आंसर ये है, टेक्नोलॉजी टेक्नोलॉजी टेक्नोलॉजी. 3 थिंग्स हमारे पास. अब हमें टेक्नोलॉजी का एडवांटेज, अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का सीईओ सत्या नडेला इंडियन, गूगल का सीईओ सुंदर पिचाई इंडियन, अडोबी का सीईओ इंडियन. सारे कैलिफोर्निया में जाएं, सारे टेक्नोलॉजी के कंपनीज के सीईओज इंडियन है. हमारे भाई लोग वहां जाके सब ये कर सकते हैं, तो यहां भी कर सकते हैं. और ये चेंज आ रहा है सर, ये चेंज आ रहा है. यू नो, हमारे में कहते हैं इतना बड़ा टैंकर, इतनी बड़ी कंट्री को चेंज करने को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. हमारे को क्या है, फ्रॉम द चाय वाला टू द टॉप मैन, हर एक का ओपिनियन है. यहाँ है, चाइना में आप कोई भी ओपिनियन दो तो डंडा पड़ता है. हमारी कंट्री डेमोक्रेसी में है. इस चेंज को टाइम लगेगा, लेकिन ये कोविड मेरे ओपिनियन में 3 to 6 months वैक्सीन निकलेगा. वैक्सीन निकलने के बाद ये इकोनॉमी वी शेप्ड है. हमारे पास यंग पॉपुलेशन है. आप कह रहे हो कि माइग्रेंट वर्कर वापस चले गए. मैं कहता हूं यूपी में योगी जी, बड़ी स्टेट्स में, वहां बिहार में जो वर्कर गए हैं हमें प्लांट्स वहां लगाने पड़ेंगे कि वी आर क्लोजर टू द वर्कर। सो ये चेंज कहना कि मैं सेठ जी दिल्ली में बैठ के गुड़गांव, एनसीआर या पंजाब में लगाऊं, नहीं, अब नए प्लांट यूपी, बिहार, उड़ीसा, इन स्टेट्स में। सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दे कमिंग टू अस, वी गो टू देम।
Exactly.
Right?
Is it that easy? You think?
Sir.
You see, more than 10 lakh diamond the laborers,
हाँ.
skilled laborers
Yes.
who are working in the
Yes.
diamond
Yes.
industry
Industry.
in Surat.
In Surat.
They all have shifted.
That's right.
The handloom workers,
That's right.
the masters in the
That's right.
handloom sector, they all have shifted from Surat to
That's right.
Odisha.
That's right.
Now, after 2 months, these people are crying. The
Sure.
collector is having regular touch with
Sure.
government police.
Sure.
Bhai, send them back.
Sure.
Now question comes, now it's good that government has given them
Food.
the proposal, no?
Sure.
Why don't you establish your diamond this thing here?
Exactly.
Why don't do that?
Yes.
But do you think that in India is it that easy to do?
सर इंडिया में नहीं, पूरे वर्ल्ड में। एक मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, आप कंपेयर कर रहे हो इंडिया को, द होल वर्ल्ड हैज मूव्ड डाउन। इट हैज पुट, कोविड हैज लेफ्ट अस इन अ लॉट मोर इवन प्लेइंग फील्ड। चाइना इज प्लेइंग डर्टी एंड आई चाइना की बात छोड़ो, लेकिन दुनिया के साथ हम इतने बिहाइंड नहीं है सर। और मैं आपको ये बता रहा हूं, इंडियंस के अंदर सर डिफिकल्ट तो सब कुछ है। डिफिकल्ट तो ये भी था कि आज हमारी कंट्री में $500 बिलियन का एक्सेस कैपिटल, मतलब फॉरेन रिजर्व्स हैं। अगर मैं आपसे 6 साल या 8 साल पूछते तो आप पूछते तो कभी तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। तो सर हमारी दुनिया में, जैसे मैं सोचता हूं, अब सर सोच की बात है, हाँ, हमने अपनी बिंदी में से नो का वर्ड ही निकाल दिया है। मुझे ये सीखना है, यस कहां से करो। एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल भाई और बहनों, everything, if you have the insight. And we as a generation of young entrepreneurs, as young businessmen, have to lead. And I believe if we lead, sir, हमारे मैं जब इंग्लैंड में जाता था ना, तो वो ये कहते थे, after the storm comes the sunshine. And believe me sir, एक साल के बाद ना मिलेंगे जरूर, सनशाइन आएगी, लेकिन काम करने से कुछ नहीं, बिना काम करे कुछ नहीं आएगा। अगर मैं ये बोलूं कि हर चीज डिफिकल्ट है, तो सर डिफिकल्ट तो घर से बाहर निकलना भी है, लेकिन अगर हम सारे एक साथ चलें और एक साथ बढ़ें तो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। आज हमारे जवान गलवान वैली में लड़ रहे हैं ना, हमारे पास उतनी भी रिसोर्सेज नहीं थी, लेकिन चाइना को टक्कर दे रहे हैं ना सर। अगर उनकी आर्मी देखो और हमारी आर्मी की फोर्स देखो, उनकी टेक्नोलॉजी हमसे बहुत आगे है सर। लेकिन दिल में अगर आपके आश्वासन है, एंड यू वांट टू हैव अ होप, द वर्ड होप, human beings can change everything. So I believe things are difficult, but I keep coming back to it. If I just depend on the government, that is the wrong question. The answer is, what can I do? And every one of us has to work towards that change. And I believe that if we do it, it is possible. And I believe that still the economic numbers are under forecasted. Everyone is too negative. It is a flu. More people die in this country without COVID than they have died in COVID. So I believe that yes, it is a pandemic. Yes, we have an economic problem, but I believe that the economy numbers, I'll give you our example. In our industry, we're back to 60-70%. I was looking when I was in, मैं बहुत ट्रेनिंग में हूँ, तो मैं जिम में सुबह सब सुनता रहता हूँ। A lot of the companies are doing 60-70% of the business. मेरे पार्टनर थाईलैंड में है, 30% पे भी नहीं इस साल की सोच रहे सर। 30% भी अगर 40% हो जाए ना, हम वीडियो कॉल में थे, वो कह रहे थे अगर 40% इस साल पहुंच गए ना, तो we are going to be super happy. We are at 60-70% in 3 months. Guys, let's, थोड़ा, हमें क्या है, हमें इस कंट्री में सब कुछ बहुत जल्दी जल्दी चाहिए। सर काम करेंगे तो जल्दी क्या सब कुछ मिलेगा, ये हमारी होप है, ये हमारी जोर है।
Mr. Uday, you are talking very positive and really this is very inspiring at the time of crisis, and people will really be happy to listen you. And I'm sorry to say you are talking more like a political leader than a businessman.
सर हमारा तो कोई एस्पिरेशन नहीं है।
But I must tell you, 2 days back I was in Lucknow.
Sure.
I was interviewing the power minister of UP,
Sure.
Mr. Shrikant Sharma. He is also very young,
Sure.
like you,
Sure.
very young minister.
Sure.
So I told him that, you know, you are talking of Swadeshi, you are talking of discarding the Chinese equipments. Just tell me frankly, you are into the you are a power minister of Uttar Pradesh. In thermal plants where you are producing power for the energy, how much equipment and
Sure.
machineries
Sure.
you are using?
Sure.
And he candidly admitted
Sure.
that 80% of the equipment
Is China.
and all these machineries that comes from China.
Yes.
But he said that it will take 1 year or 2 years to.
We have to start, sir. एक मिनट मैं आपको फिर बोलूं I'm on the committee of the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, okay, and I believe that Sangma ji is a very forward-looking CM. बहुत ही मैं सिर्फ पर्सनली उस कमेटी में इन्वॉल्व हूँ. हम उनको पूरा पोस्ट कोविड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड पॉजिटिविटी में मतलब डेवलपमेंट में और लेबर रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग की बात कर रहे हैं. सर चाइना पे अभी डिपेंडेंट हैं, लेकिन अगर हम प्राइवेट पब्लिक पार्टनरशिप में करें, हो सकता है सर, बहुत कंट्रीज में हुआ है, आज हम स्टेट बाय स्टेट जाएं और अगर हम काम, सर आई हैव क्लियरली टू बताऊं, आई हैव नो पॉलिटिकल एस्पिरेशंस, आई एम हियर. मैं आपको फिर बोलता हूं, मैं 30 साल अमेरिका और यूरोप लगा के आया हूं, 10 साल से, अब पिछले 8 साल से यहाँ हूं सर, धक्के भी खा रहा हूं, लेकिन मैं इधर इसलिए नहीं आया कि मुझे इंडिया बहुत प्यारा है, लेकिन मुझे इंडिया में अपॉर्चुनिटी नजर आती है. एंड अगर मुझे 1-2% ग्रोथ चाहिए तो मैं यूरोप में बैठ सकता हूं, मुझे चाहिए 8-9-10%, तो मैं इधर आना चाहता हूं. इधर में इंडिया एंड एशियान, म्यांमार, लाओस, कंबोडिया एज वन यूनिट, 1.4 billion people in this country, 550 million, 2 billion people, which is almost 40% of the world's population, and a young population. Please don't disregard. The younger population is the one that buys stuff. That is consumption. Everything is consumption. Supply तो कहीं आ जाएगी. Demand comes from young people. हम जापान जाते हैं. Sir, unfortunately, बहुत कुछ है, लेकिन सब बुढ़े. 10 साल के बाद जापान की ग्रोथ ऐसे से ऐसे हो रही है. ठीक है, MSME स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट पैसे पे पैसा छाप के देती जा रही है, सब बैंकक्रप्ट हैं, लेकिन बुढ़े. We are a young, dynamic, educated, intelligent, and I again say that some of us have to take the step. ये कहना कि ये गलत है और वो गलत है, सर, उससे तो I believe कि that is not where growth comes from. The growth comes from all of us getting together, like you gave the example of the Chief Minister, who should invite tenders from Make in India, Local for Vocal, Atmanirbhar India. We should bring joint ventures that will produce here. French, German, American, European, Thai, Japanese, Korean companies to come and produce here, provide us the technology, give jobs to our labor, work with us. That's how we can do it. We are talking about that for the next 5 to 10 years. And if we make that plan, everything is possible, sir.
You must have heard when all these companies after this COVID-19, they shifted from China to other countries, and
Yes.
they want
Yes.
to relocate their companies.
Yes.
And our Prime Minister also told that, you know, India is the best place to invest and
Sure.
to start Make
Sure.
in India and Made
Sure.
in India.
Sure.
But you know, there is a major problem in that. That there are two remedies one must focus on that. One is to enact the labor law. Second is you have to provide world-class infrastructure.
Yes.
Third is transparency. These three are the basic things. Any investor will be attracted to our country.
True.
Don't you think India is badly facing this problem at the moment? Why the European countries and investors should be coming to India?
Sure. I'll give you the answer. Very good. You have raised some very important points, and I'll answer them. I've spent my entire, I say 30 plus years between US and Americans. I understand them, sir. I lived there, and I ran businesses there, and I was pretty, successful in my own world. I will tell you, transparency is extremely important. That's number one. Yeah. Okay? I believe that with the Modi government, Modi ji's government, transparency is coming. Again, sir, 40-50 साल की.
Very strong votary of Modi government.
I am. I'll tell you why. Because he is a man who says, मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला, somebody who says, I can do. सर, यहाँ पे लोग हैं, वो कहते हैं ना पीछे बैठ के ये भी नहीं होता, वो भी नहीं होता. मैं बता रहा हूँ आप क्या कर रहे हैं. नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ मतलब जो बाकी के ऑपोजिशन करते हैं उनकी, वो ये पूछते हैं 5 साल में आज हमारी कंट्री की स्टैंडिंग इन द इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड अच्छी है या नहीं. सर आप बहुत दुनिया देखते हो, आप बहुत लोगों से. मेरा आंसर है हमारी छवि इन वर्ल्ड इज ब्यूटिफुल. पीपल रिस्पेक्ट द लीडर. If Donald Trump can come to America, to India, and share his hands, sir, he is the most powerful man in the world, right? It is the most powerful country in the world. They are giving us respect. So the transparency is coming.
Yeah.
Takes time.
Labor
Law reform has to happen. This is the first and most important.
You think that it is that easy to reform the labor law in India? Because in India, it's the biggest democracy of the world.
Yes.
Everybody has to face election.
They do.
How do you think?
But sir, I'll tell you what.
Practical.
I am being practical. There is a population of 1.4 billion. There are about 60 to 70 million of those people that understand this. Educational level. The new generation. Sir, the generation that is called, आजकल कहते हैं generation Z. जो अब की जनरेशन है. हम तो बूढ़े हो गए, जो आज की जनरेशन. I think even at the lower level, there the mobile, the technology is teaching them. सर अगेन अगर आप मुझे आंसर पूछोगे कि आज होगा, 1 मिनट मैं फिर आपको एक आंसर देता हूं. आपने कहा यूरोपियन जरूर क्यों आएंगे. अगर मेरे को सब कुछ ठीक मिलेगा तो ग्रोथ रेट होगी 1%. ठीक है, जापान की ग्रोथ रेट 1 to 2% भी नहीं है. सर अगर 10% ग्रोथ चाहिए ना तो थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम साथ में होनी चाहिए. तो सर इट्स व्हाट यू वांट. ओके, आई बिलीव दैट द ग्रोथ. एंड सर आप आज मेरी बात सुन रहे हैं, मे बी 5-6 साल के बाद ये बात मे भी आपके कान में गुनगुनाएगी कि ये मीटिंग हुई थी और मैं 5 साल के क्या हर दूसरे साल मिलने को तैयार हूं आपसे या मिलने के बाद करना चाहता हूं. द पॉइंट हियर इज दैट people are underestimating the change that is going on in India. People are underestimating the system. वो कहते हैं tectonic, जब earthquake आता है tectonic plates are changing. There's a lot going on in this country that people are not understanding. So I believe the Europeans, the Americans, Geo in this pandemic has raised $18 billion, and that money has come from all top blue chip, the sovereign fund of Saudi, Facebook, funds in America that are blue chip. Bharti Airtel is raising money. Pharma companies are raising money. I can give you a list of companies in the worst time of this pandemic are raising. So sir, for all the negative stories, there's a positive story. Labor laws have to be changed, has to be worked on. There are changes coming. Infrastructure. So if I was part of the process of the government, I would revamp this whole country. Bridges, roads, infrastructure. We should revamp this whole country. We should tell हमारे 80 करोड़ भाई और बहनों जिनको खाना दे रहे हैं, आपको खाना मिले या पैसा मिले, आप हमारी रोड्स बनाइए, आप हमारे काम में आइए, आप हमारी कंट्री को डेवलप करिए, उसके अंदर एसोसिएशन करिए, आप फॉरेन प्रोजेक्ट्स लेके आइए इस कंट्री के अंदर. देखो सर, रोम वाज नॉट बिल्ट इन वन डे. इंडिया कैन नॉट बी चेंज्ड इन वन डे. थोड़ा तो टाइम लगेगा सर, लेकिन मैं जरूर कह रहा हूं, मेरी 51 की उम्र है, अगर 20-25 साल और जी गया तो मैं चेंज जरूर देख के जाऊंगा. बस यही हमारी व्यू है और यही हमारी होप है.
I will again tell you certain negative things with facts.
बोलिए सर.
I am very happy that you are talking very positive things.
I'm investing, sir, here. Okay, for all the problems you're raising.
Sir, please go and visit the villages. Have you ever seen the primary healthcare system of India?
Sure. It's very poor, sir.
Leave it.
Very poor.
Yesterday I am telling, because I am an editor, but I am
Sure.
basically a journalist.
Sure.
I do love collecting information. So
Sure.
I was talking to the senior professor
Sure.
of AIMS,
Sure.
neurosurgeon. She was a neurosurgeon.
Sure.
Her student was from Odisha, and he is also a neurosurgeon. He was admitted in AIMS, New Delhi, and day before yesterday, the doctor was shifted from AIMS to Max Hospital, Saket,
Sure.
and the doctor was need of some plasma,
Sure.
and we could
Sure.
organize
Sure.
the things. I was
Sure.
coordinating,
Sure.
and it was a very spontaneous questions.
Sure.
Dr. Kedia,
Sure.
you are shifting a doctor, a resident of AIMS to the private hospital,
Sure.
Max Hospital. Why?
Sure.
So she explained in n number of ways, because she didn't know that I am a
Sure.
journalist.
Sure. Sure.
But I was not convinced.
Sure.
That is what my question always lies. That to talk about rosy things is
Sure.
always good.
Sure.
But
Is the medical okay? You are again. I'll come back to you. So we always have to look at the delta, the change. 10 years to today. The 10 years to today is the medical facilities better or not? So it's 1.4 billion population. How long has Modi ji been in politics? In center, in the prime minister? एक term, second term है ना?
6
है ना?
years.
है ना? सर आप मतलब एक आदमी को यहाँ सर भगवान भी इतनी जल्दी नहीं चेंज कर सकता. यहाँ बहुत मल्टीपल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. लेकिन आई बिलीव दैट अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप अप्रोच. आप योगी जी को देखिए, यूपी में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अंडर है. आपका योगी जी, अखिलेश जी की गवर्नमेंट थी, कुछ भी ठीक नहीं चल रहा था सर. अभी चल रहा है, चेंज आया है सर. हमको क्या है कि पेशेंस हम सब में, हमें आज ही चाहिए. हम चाइना के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं सर, वहां आप एक आवाज उठा लो तो अंदर हो जाओगे. तो डू यू वांट टू लिव अंडर अ कम्युनिस्ट रूल और डू यू वांट टू लिव अंडर डेमोक्रेसी? वी ऑल वांट टू लिव डेमोक्रेसी. वी लाइक डेमोक्रेसी. देयर आर सम पेन्स, देयर आर सम डिफिकल्टीज ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, and we have to pay that price of democracy. And I believe again that the health system, the infrastructure, the labor law, I can tell you, you're absolutely, there are 100 problems and 100 negatives, but I will say वो एक गंदे पानी में कमल का फूल भी निकलता है सर. हाँ, आप फिर कहोगे हम पॉलिटिशियन की तरह बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम ये जरूर सोचते हैं कि हम एज एन इंडिविजुअल, सर आप मुझे विलेज की बात कर रहे हैं, हर रोज, अभी मैं यहाँ से निकलूंगा, मैं हर रोज अपनी फैक्ट्रीज में जाता हूँ, मैं हर रोज लेबर से बात करता हूँ, मैं हर रोज उनकी मेडिकल की पोजीशन देखता हूँ, मैं उनका खाना देखता हूँ. सर अगर मैं तो बहुत छोटा आदमी हूँ, अगर मैं 1000 आदमियों का ख्याल रख सकूँ तो मे भी लोग 10,000 का ख्याल रखें, फिर वो 10,000 का रखें, तो कहीं से तो इंप्रूवमेंट आएगी. एंड आई बिलीव दैट I'm not believing. You ask the World Bank and you ask all the big countries of the world. We were talking to Japan, we were talking to Thailand. India is their destination. And China, what has changed? Everybody has realized what China is about. China has shown its true colors in this COVID. There is a drastic change coming, sir, in the next year. People in Europe, in France, in US are seeing, not only that, Southeast Asia, Vietnam, we are going to see a drastic change. And there is opportunity. Now, the question is, we can't keep blaming the government. Let the businessmen, all these people that have got billions and billions of dollars, bring that money back, invest it here. Don't take it out. Don't steal from the banks, right? Don't do all of that, right? It is our duty to help this country forward. That's all I can say.
you have worked outside
Sure,
India, and
sure,
now you are working
sure.
in India.
Sure.
And you are very optimistic that
I am.
You are hoping at 10% GDP,
Hmm.
where the reality is something else, as the economist says.
Only now, it was 7-8% last year post-COVID, right? Only these two, sir, क्या है कि हम 2-3 महीने का ना, I will again say, and I'll let you finish. This is just a dot on a chart. Look 5-year plan. Look at a 10-year plan. Okay? We are much, much better economy today than we were 6 years ago. The data, you're talking about economists, the data will show that. All the economists, and Debsan, I believe that there is definitely a 7 to 8% growth next year. And 7 to 8% is bad. In France and in Italy, a 1% growth. Wow. So, anyway, go ahead, sir. Sorry, I interrupted you.
See, Make in India, and make in India defense production. And last 2 months back there was a huge defense show in Lucknow.
Sure.
I was,
You were there.
in fact, the India was part
Sure.
of this show.
Sure.
Prime Minister was there,
Sure.
Defense Minister was there,
Sure.
that Yogi was there.
Sure.
So I don't think there was any output. In 2014-2015, Make in India Modi ji started. But you see how much of investment come to India. It has not come. I am not talking of
FDI is pretty high, sir.
Yeah.
The FDI numbers are showing pretty significant numbers.
But how it can be, the situation can be improved and the Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India.
Yes, it's a very important point.
What is your view? How
sir.
do you suggest the government, what, as an entrepreneur, what is your expectation from the government
Yes.
to make it more, to strengthen the situation and how it will be really changed? Because
अब आप जो बोल रहे बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है 100% सर मैं ऑप्टिमिस्टिक के लेके सर ऑप्टिमिज्म तो मैंने बोला दुनिया में ना दो टाइप के आदमी होते हैं इंग्लिश में कहते हैं सम पीपल लुक एट ग्लास में ना पानी होता है आप कहोगे पानी आधा भरा हुआ है मैं तो कह रहा हूँ हाफ फुल है देयर ऑलवेज गोना बी टू साइड्स राइट I tend to be an optimist. I tend to be an optimist always, not just today. I believe in this, right? The point there is that the public-private partnership has to be. We cannot just expect the government to do this. The government cannot only fix all the problems. So what it needs to happen is that the private-public partnership and the leadership there, the government has to let private partnership lead, right? Boeing is a private-public partnership. Boeing is led by the private sector. So what I'm saying is that what needs to happen is the government needs to leave and give support to the private sector to develop the businesses. They have to give them the help in terms of banking, in terms of finance, in terms of labor. You're absolutely right on the terms of labor law. Certain states are doing very well with labor laws.
that is what I
Right.
was asking.
You know, certain states have done very well. Andhra has done very well. Some states haven't done. West Bengal hasn't done well, right? So we need to have state governments. You're absolutely yeah. More walking, less talking. More walking, less talking. We've got to get the government to work hand in hand with the private sector. That is what's going to take us, fix this country over the next 5 to 10 years. I believe that a strong government, a government that looks forward, will always have to keep that. But then, again, I told Sangma ji in my conversation that we need the government. मैं पॉलिसी तो बना दूंगा, लेकिन पॉलिसी को इनेक्ट करने वाला और उसके लिए पावर होनी चाहिए और दम होना चाहिए और जिगरा होना चाहिए कि इसका मुझे कुछ, वो कहते हैं ना जब वेव जाती है ओशन में उसका एक रिपल इफेक्ट आता है वापस, उसको स्टैंड करने के लिए रिपल इफेक्ट होना चाहिए. तो आई बिलीव दैट again and again, a strong private-public, not public-private, private-public partnership should really be the way forward to fix. You have raised, sir, I am absolute, you have been very, very, you have a lot of knowledge, you are saying some very, very important points, infrastructure, labor, you know, banking, financial, there has to be, the number one is transparency. And I believe that we are on the right track. Do I believe that it's going to be a hard task? Yes. फिर हम नौजवान लोग यहाँ किसके लिए बैठे हैं सर? अगर हम आसान वे रखना है तो फिर तो सर कुछ तो करना है ना. और मैं आपको एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, हमारी सेना के पास, हमारी फोर्सेस के पास, we don't have 1/5 the technology and the money. If you and I'm talking facts. If you look at what China spends, the largest defense spender in the world is US. That is China. We are here. बट आवर फोर्सेस, अगर हमारे वो सोल्जर्स सोचें ये चाइनीज़, मैं आपको आंसर देता हूँ, ना तो मेरे पास असला, ना मेरे पास टेक्नोलॉजी, ना मेरे पास, और मैं तो चाइनीज़ को, सर दिल की भी तो कोई चीज़ होती है, कुछ जिगरा भी कुछ चीज़ होता है. हाँ, तो मैं आपको वापस बोलता हूँ, इफ़ आवर सोल्जर्स कैन डू इट, इफ़ आवर आर्म्ड फोर्सेस कैन डू इट, वी कैन डू इट. दैट्स शेम ऑन अस. आई डोंट नो, दोस आर माय आंसर्स.
Very good that Mr. Uday really talk like a very patriotic and I'm very spirited with your words, and I think our viewers will be also very happy. And can I ask you, who is the really inspiration behind you on this sentiment
Sure.
and,
The
and what is your educational background?
So
What
my
prompted you to
sure. My education background is I have a master's in economics and I have a master's in finance. I studied in America. I left when I was here in the 12th grade. मैं St. Columbus High School में पढ़ता था. My inspiration is the poor people of this country who need to be empowered,
But
who need to
who
be.
really inspired to you to reach this?
I know if I you
State of mind.
आपने मुझे बहुत बार बोला, मैं अभी फिर बोलूँगा तो कहोगे I am really inspired. मैं आज भी याद कर रहा हूँ 7-8 साल पहले मैं मोदी जी की स्पीच सुनता था. मैं कहता था ये आदमी में दम है. He can actually make things. So if you ask me, he is my inspiration. I don't want to say too much. आप कहोगे सर आप सब पॉलिटिकल बात करते हो और सब, तो I felt inspired by Modi ji. I felt inspired by his vision. I get inspired by his team. I get inspired by India Inc. I felt like, wow, I क्या बैठा हूँ इस कंट्रीज में, बाहर जा अपना इंडिया में जाता हूँ. ठीक है, कई बार रात को 10 बजे जाता हूँ, पाइप मतलब पानी इकट्ठा हो जाता है, मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, लेकिन चैलेंज लेने की आदत है. सो आई गॉट इंस्पायर्ड बाय दैट एंड आई बिलीव दैट सर हमने तो अपना टेंट यहीं लगा लिया है, तो अब तो हम तो कहीं जाएंगे नहीं. बाकी जो अब मैं कहता हूँ कई लोग भाई लोग भाग की सोचते हैं, मैं वो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी सोचता हूँ क्योंकि जो यहाँ खड़ा है फिर उसके लिए और भी अपॉर्चुनिटी है.
What you are doing in brief, can you tell me
Sure.
what is your business empire and what exactly you are doing to
Sure.
empower Bharat?
Sure.
What you are talking?
We are in a couple of sectors. We are in the automotive sector. We are also in the steel sector. In automotive, we are providing steel to all the large manufacturing. We also do automotive parts. As you know, I am going to, with my team, build a Tesla of the East. We are going to build a very substantial automotive EV technology company here. We are going to be working with American companies that are based here, like Inoli Energy, with Honda, with Exide. We're going to build that business to become a very significant part, and I believe that's a $500 billion business, and I think India can get very actively involved in EV parts. That's part of our business. We're in the infrastructure business, where we're in the food, which is another very, very important part, which is in cold storages, in the logistics, everything involved with pharma, in that business, which food, technology, food is very important. We're in the sports business, where I have a platform called khelnow.com, which is India's biggest, second largest football, and I'm going to build it multi-sport for the younger generation.
What exactly you are doing in Khelo?
Khelna mein kya hai? It's a platform where all the football enthusiasts, we have about 1.2 million followers in India that can participate. They can talk about their skills, their needs, that उनको डॉक्टर चाहिए, उनको ट्रेनर चाहिए, कोई विलेज में बंदा है जिसका टैलेंट है, उसको स्पोर्ट्स के लिए हेल्प चाहिए. We are going to build that from football.
Platform?
Yes, and we are going to build that into a completely, we have started kabaddi.
From where you are getting the talents? Football talents?
We are reaching out to all the people come to the platform. People know khelnow.com. So जो लोग हैं वो Facebook से आते हैं, Instagram से आते हैं, LinkedIn से आते हैं. People connect or people send us an email. कोई विलेज से आ जाता है, कहीं से आ जाता है. हमारी एक और कंपनी है AnglianMedalHunt.com. Anglian Medal Hunt इसके जो सिर्फ ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट के लिए होती है ट्रेनिंग. उनकी एसोसिएशन अडानी ग्रुप, सेल, काफ़ी लोगों के साथ. ये स्पोर्ट्स का काम आई एम डूइंग बिकॉज आई बिलीव अ यंगर जनरेशन नीड्स टू बी हेल्थी, नीड्स टू बी फिट.
भारत की प्रधानमंत्री का जो खेलो इंडिया था
उसमें भी हम इन्वॉल्व थे, हम थे उसमें भी इन्वॉल्व.
पहले ये आपका था?
ये तो हम तो पहले से, हाँ, उससे पहले से ही कर रहे हैं. सर आप हमारी हिस्ट्री देखिए, हम कई बंदे होते हैं इस अर्थ में ट्रेंड सेट करने के लिए, कई होते हैं ट्रेंड फॉलो करने के लिए. अब जो ट्रेंड सेटर होते हैं ना सर, उनको बहुत पेन लेनी पड़ती है क्योंकि पैसा लगाते हैं, रिस्क करते हैं, कई चीज़ चलती है. We believe that we are trendsetters, and we believe that, you know what, maybe we won't ever be billionaires like the rich people of this country, but we'll make a difference. And that's what keeps me alive every day. That's what keeps me going every day. And that's what my energy comes from. From the country. I get the energy from the country. And I want to do things where I can give back to the country. Okay? If you look at all the super rich, they all want to give back, whether it is a Warren Buffett or whether it is a Bill Gates or whether it's a Jeff Bezos. They all want to give, or it's the Facebook owner, Mark Zuckerberg. I want to give back to this country. This country has done a lot for everyone. We need to give back. Stop asking what country can do for us. Start saying, I want to do this for the country. That's what the soldiers do. That's what our armed forces do. And we expect them to be in the front line while we're all sleeping okay. That's not fair. The doctors, today is Doctor Day, right? We should thank every doctor. You went to the hospital. They're in the front lines. Huh? That's what we need to be doing. Sorry, sir, no politician. I'm just giving you my views.
What is your expectation from the government, this government?
My expectations from this government is that post-COVID, they are going to make a significant change in terms of helping the business, in terms of, okay, they are making, at the moment, they have to give money, they have to give food to the poor, right? That now till November, which I believe that is the right strategy, because by November or December we will get a vaccine. तो ये सारा पार ये जो कठिन टाइम के टाइम नैया पार करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. After this, now needs to come MSME. MSME employs the largest amount of people in this country. Those need to be helped. Credit, money needs to be helped. The banks don't need to just hold the money. They need to give it to people that need it. वो है ना, ऑक्सीजन जो मुझे अभी दोगे या 6 महीने के बाद जब मैं मर जाऊंगा तो उसके बाद मुझे ऑक्सीजन का क्या फर्क पड़ना है? Need it now. So the government now needs to focus on helping the business, the traders, the people that will give employment to the large groups. जो 10-10, 20-20 लोगों को, मतलब villages में, farmers को help करो business में. That's what this government needs to do. And that requires, again, I'll come back to your points of transparency, labor laws, banking, all of those things need to happen. And we as a private sector need to work with the government. We need to leave this political infighting on TV that you see every evening with Arunabh Chakrabarti and all of them guys. We need to leave that aside. We need to work together. Okay? अगर मैं अपना ही सोचूंगा तो देश की कौन सोचेगा?
You have crossed 50 years of your life, you have lived it very well and you are very happy today.
Sure.
What is your dream?
My dream is when I am gone, this country, the poor people of this country, the standard of living, the GDP, their health, you have really raised and important, their health services, their educational services, all of them are much, much better. Money is a dirt on the hand. You can't take anything. Believe you me, I have been associated with very rich people. You cannot take this. Ghar, gehne, gaadi, vaadi, sab chhoot jata hai. I would like, by the end of my term, that some people would have said that Uday and his team, I am nothing without the team. There is no I in team. It's a we. So we, the people, are a much better country. That's my dream and that's my hope. And I'm going to be working on it till the last. My strength is that I never, I told you I'm a big Muhammad Ali fan. Muhammad Ali. जब Muhammad Ali अब तो चला गया, लेकिन हम Muhammad Ali, नहीं, Muhammad Ali, boxer. No, जिन्ना नहीं, Muhammad Ali. वो ना बहुत ही गरीब बैकग्राउंड से आया था, गरीब और पुअर और ब्लैक था. वाइट सोसाइटी में उसको बहुत तंगी आई. वो हम हैं एक बॉक्सर की तरह. You can put us down, but you can never put me down. I'll come back. So मेरी सारी जिंदगी में मैं कई मोटिवेशन लेता हूँ काफ़ी लोगों से, पर मैं ये सोचता हूँ nothing can keep me down. I will have a bad day, I'll come back and I'll come back. And you know where I get my strength? I keep my fitness. चाहे कुछ भी हो, मैं अपनी फिटनेस नहीं छोड़ता. ठीक है? A fit mind can deal with any problem. ये अगर मैं आपसे भी एडवाइस करूंगा, सबसे एडवाइस करूंगा, अपनी हेल्थ का ख्याल रखें. अगर आप अपनी हेल्थ को ठीक रखेंगे तो कोई भी टक्कर लेने को तैयार है.
What is your weakness?
My weakness is I'm too soft. I'm too soft and I'm too giving. So people take advantage of me sometimes. But I'm happy to deal with that weakness because if I can make a difference in people's lives, it's okay. But I believe people too quickly. If you tell me something, I believe you. Because I brought up that way that you have to give people a chance. So in business, I have to keep a lot of advisors around me because if you tell me something, I'll believe you. Until you prove me wrong, right? And if you prove me wrong, then I have no time for you. That's where it is.
Thank you, Mr. Uday. I'm really very happy and our viewers will be really very inspired with your very positive thinking and here a man from India, a man with the Indian heart, and he has a great hopes on the Prime Minister of this country. He has a great hope on our culture, on our history, on our heritage, and he is hopeful that we'll reach at the GDP of I said.
We'll be the third largest GDP in the 6 years. Please mark myself and this conversation. 6 years from now, the third largest GDP. We are the fifth or the sixth already. We will be the third largest GDP in the world. I don't know who's going to be 1 and 2. It could be between China and America, but we'll be the third largest.
I hope all the best for you, and thanks for joining with India Media.
Thank you.
And
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. ठीक है सर.
Thank you.